Hi, I am Venkat Naik, founder of Srini Software Training. If you are a manual testing engineer, if you are having a career gap, or if you are a fresher, if you would like to get a automation testing engineer role, I think nowadays a lot of openings are going on. So, being a manual testing engineer, if you have to upgrade your skills to become a automation testing, I'll be starting a new batch for holding the job assurance related training, which is automation for the training through Python. If you are interested to learn Python for embedded testing, manual testing to the automation testing, and data driven testing, and Selenium with a PyTest testing, API testing, all these frameworks I'm going to be covered with the help of Python. I think I will be able to make sure that you are going to be placed with all the assistants of to getting the job into the IT. So I would be able to help you in terms of the interview assistant, and I'm having a collaborated with a certain companies where exactly many more openings are happening for the automation testing roles. I think if you would like to join for the course where you need really job assistance, you can enroll for the course called as an automation testing with a Python, which includes the automation part as well as an embedded testing part and observed hardware testing part and mobile testing part. All these frameworks will be covered. If you would like to enroll for the course, you can able to join and you can contact me for further. Thank you.